We're here with Chris Desi, the CEO of Silverback Social. So you're an Italian kid who did good, and you wrote a book.
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
I lectured at Marist College a few years back, and after the lecture, I was kind of bum rushed by the students. The students were really excited about what I had to say, and they had a lot of questions. And I brought my beautiful wife, Laura, with me that day. And on the car ride home, I turned to her and I said, I've got to write a book. I really think it's important. So I wrote the book from 8 o'clock at night till 2 in the morning after work because I thought it was an important book to write. I wrote 14 chapters and then I scrapped it, literally dumped the 14 chapters because it was much too tactical, right? And as we know, social media moves at the speed of light. The platforms are changing quickly, everything, the way, the manner in which you engage within the ecosystems change, and it was too tactical. It would have been obsolete after 3 months. So I scrapped it and I had a sort of come to Jesus with myself, and it was one of those, you know, over a nice glass of red wine. I was talking with my wife, and I said, listen, in my heart of hearts, I believe that social media is much more of a spiritual awakening rather than a technological one. And she was like, well, write that. I said, okay, let's do this. And I had years worth of blog posts where I had been writing my sort of digital musings about what was happening. I'd started the blog in 2007, and having been in digital since 2000, I had a lot of content and ideas and stories that I could tell. And I started to put it together. And it's called Your World is Exploding, How Social Media is Changing Everything and How You Need to Change with It. And it's a light read. You could read it on, on a long plane ride, right? This wasn't meant to be, Ayn Rand's Atlas Shrugged or Fountainhead, right? These are some stories that are easily digestible, that are easy for you to wrap your head around and sort of take some actionable items the next day and say, okay, now I'm engaging in social media properly, and will help your compass when you're either engaging as a brand or even as an individual on how to conduct yourself within social media. And it's based on, a lot of years of experience within digital. And then my idea that, I don't want to get too woo-woo on people and be like, ooh, it's mystical or whatever, but it's us connecting on a human level, right? And you need to, interact as such. You need to be able to be sensitive to people that are listening to your message. You need to be aware of the fact that the message is amplified and can hurt people. And that's kind of where it starts and ends.